Nobody claps for this part. Jim Carrey was a teenager sleeping in a Volkswagen van in a campground in Burlington, Ontario. Not a rough patch, not a metaphor, an actual van, in an actual campground. His father had lost his job. The whole family was there, and Carrey was not just surviving it. He was working factory janitorial shifts at night, alongside his parents, then dragging himself to school in the morning on almost no sleep. He was 16 years old, doing a grown man's work just to keep the lights on. There were no lights. They lived in a van. But here's the part that matters. Inside that van, he did not decide he was a victim of his circumstances. He decided his future had not been written yet, quietly, privately, with zero evidence that he was right. No one was watching. No one was clapping. Nothing on the outside agreed with him. He just kept choosing to believe it anyway. That is not motivation. That is a decision made in the dark, repeated every single day until the world catches up.